How long did you cook the sauce before you threw the chicken in?
As soon as I saute the onions and the garlic. I put the garlic, onions, about an hour.
Cook the chicken before you put it in, or you
No, I
just
put
throw
it.
in raw
I put
chicken?
It in. I put
Raw?
It.
Raw?
Yes.
Did you clean it at all or anything, or no?
We took the skin off the chicken legs.
Where'd you get the chicken? What type of chicken? Which
It's
grocery
chicken
store?
legs. Chicken legs.
Chicken legs?
Yes. From ShopRite.
How big? How much weight?
I don't know, Brian. It's chicken legs.
How much weight?
I don't know. It's 6 chicken legs.
Okay, so what'd you put in here? And
Garlic.
when did you throw the chicken in?
Garlic, onions.
How long did you cook the sauce before you threw the chicken in?
As soon as I saute the onions and the garlic.
So immediately?
Yes.
And then you cook it for an hour?
For an hour.
Okay.
Yes.
And then what do you throw in?
I put garlic, onions.
Stir it. How often do you stir it?
Every so often, just
how often? Like how many times in an hour?
I don't know, 3-4 times.
3-4 times? Okay.
Yeah.
So what are the ingredients?
I put some allspice.
Let me see. Wait. Okay. Wait.
Right there, pepper.
Okay.
And I put some cloves in.
Some cloves. Okay.
And some ketchup. A little bit of ketchup.
How much ketchup?
Have a cup. And some chicken broth and
a whole thing of chicken broth, right?
Yeah.
A whole thing?
Yep.
Okay.
And then I just cook the chicken and take it off the bone.
How much pepper? How much cloves? How much the other thing do you put in?
Just a quarter
spice.
Quarter teaspoon, yeah.
Quarter teaspoon?
Yeah, of each.
Of each?
Yeah, I didn't put any salt because the chicken broth has salt in it already.
And you just cook it on low or what?
Yeah, medium.
Medium?
Medium.
Okay, sounds good. Bye.